Welcome to this week's episode of Project Sullivan. I'm Gogo.
And I'm Gilbert. What are we doing today, Gogo?
We are working on my brand new car!
We're going to try to get Gogo's first car running today.
Maybe. It did come from Grandpa, so we had to do the hokey pokey, turn around 3 times, and kick it a few times.
Yep. Today we're doing a 1979 Nova. Will it run? We got a lot of hopes in this car. So, if we can get it running, we might be able to turn this into a good series. Let us know what you think with your comments below.
And enjoy the episode. This one was really fun to make.
We do a lot of work in the garage to prepare us. They say you win races in the garage, not on the track. I haven't bought a new rim in 14 years. That's Portland racing. We do what we can with what we got.
What would we do? We just cut that part out of the video and ran up and tried to use one of those porta potties right away?
That's what we get for running used parts. I don't like this from here, the 30 pack here.
I'm wasting any time. I've got a lot to say. Can't hold it in this time. Got no filter. I got no filter. No filter. I got no filter.
You're worried about speeding out, especially when you drive.
And now Duffy with trouble in turn number 4. Jacob Garten 18 speed us down the green this time by as he gets set to go for the final feature race of the evening. Garten Deeds on road number 1. Townstone Supply Super Trucks comes to the Nissan of Las Cruces green flag. We are underway.
If you look at the bumpers, they're nice and healthy. You can't see them too well, but
I'm pretty sure there was a car here at one point.
Actually, it's not that dented so far.
yeah, they're real safe. It's only a 6-cylinder automatic.
Although this has got straight lines on it, I don't know why you'd want to make it a race car.
I wouldn't mind making this a race car or a muscle car.
Straight 6.
It's got HEI, which is good. Easy to work on. HEIs are,
A little bit of an oil leak just right here in this general area.
it's not new anymore. I did put a new oil filter on it and change the oil.
With the length of this engine block, you could put a 454 in this son of a bitch.
You can. They used to
You
put
can
them
get
on
it. You get a 396 for it.
Yeah, you put.
Hey, you got that 396 in your shed back there. The glass is all good in it. There's a little bit of cancer.
No, you could roll a 2003.
Day 2.
Oh, tell me what you think of the car. It's old.
And my papa.
It's your papa's. No, it's gonna be Gogo's.
My papa.
Ooh, a spare rim because there's no way that tire's worth using.
Oh, no, not a shiny.
Ooh, a bumper jack.
Ooh, you got belts?
Hey, look, there's Bill.
Some
Hey.
kind of container over there?
We might be pretty good on belts then.
Some weird white container, dude.
Probably antifreeze.
Probably.
And it looks like probably a tire iron. Pretty bare. Looks good, man. There's no rust in this thing.
That's the microphone. Don't worry about it.
But you gotta keep your head up. Whoa.
normally goes though? Thingy. There's no screws for these.
Nope. So we didn't have the correct thing, so we made this spacer right here. You see, that's the actual nut that holds the battery. You see how it's the same length?
Yeah.
If you make this longer, like if you took this nut off, it would go through the back of the battery before tightening. So you got it. That nut is our spacer to keep that from happening. Well, that's always a plus. That might be quite grand. Okay, let me see. This might be our first problem.
That's great science. Everyone check that.
Really good oil. Looks nothing like the oil on the valve cover.
Grandpa, did you put more oil in this thing?
Well, nothing at all. That's the right size. Oh wow, that looks nasty. That was nasty, nasty. Closer.
Yes, Mark.
You know, that is a real. Ah! Kill it! Dad, kill it!
Snakes are made.
You gotta pull that air cleaner. It's flowing out of that carburetor. Your carburetor's leaking fuel like a sieve.
Just tap it. Oops.
I just heard it click.
Yeah, I heard it too. Huh?
I heard it click. Alright. Nope, nope, kill it, kill it.
Oh.
Okay, it already does run. It's just like everything else that has a carburetor. It needs a carburetor. You didn't even hit the throttle. I told you, the little... Take the whole carburetor off. It probably needs a rebuild kit, Dad. It's the quick disconnect walking.
Okay, can you get the napkin? Everybody just cut their coat. Well, at least it is instead of putting them.
Hey, look at all them bolts over there. Watch out, Charlotte's Web's.
Your grandpa likes carbureted just because it's like.
That gasket's good for another 100,000 miles.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it barely has a spark. One of these. There you go, you get from kissing. I like how the fuel line runs all the way around the engine.
That's all it is. So if you ever hit it with it, it didn't degrease or stuff. I cleaned it once, I'm going to tell you.
The carburetor kind of works.
Start it.
It's only got a little bit of smoke coming out of everywhere. Back to back. Oh, at least they show the spark plug gap and everything on here.
Yeah, no, they should be that.
Some drum brakes in here. There's the old coupon. Oh, drum brakes are good too. Check that out. Brand new brake shoes. Oh look. It even has it. It even comes with one of those detachable rear view mirrors. The Nova book, 79 and first aid test. Oh wow. Ray-Bans. Well, it's about half a gallon so far.
No, you just started?
Yeah, but look how the water's not flowing at all.
The car get hot from starting shot.
Thank you, invisible cameraman.
Our drone shot. 1 gallon of transmission fluid later, we end up stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire. At least he didn't lock the fence yet. By the way, this is as far as we made it. Fence or gate, car.
Except for the fact I just broke the road. How's that? How far off?
Probably need to go up a little more.
Where's that impact when you need it? How were the brakes, Dad?
Spongy. Well, we knew there was a problem with the brakes already because there's a box of brand new brakes already in the car that somebody hasn't changed yet.
Okay, so I found out the upgrade from the one-way is the four-way.
Logan might be the only one of his friends that knows how to change a tire.
That's not true at all.
Okay, now you just flip this lever here and crank it again. Slow, because it's going to want to shoot back at you, like up. So you go slow and then slow back up. He went down. Just keep doing it. Okay, hold on. Come tighten your lugs real quick. You got some pressure and it's gotten real wobbly over here. And we made it.
Hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
And if you've been tuned in this long, you might as well like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe button right here somewhere.
Right? Maybe over here. I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't know. We're also on the Instagram and the TikToker, so look for us there. And we got it home.
Yeah, that was.
We got it home. Next week's episode, we're probably also going to do a little bit of a project on the Nova. So stick around for that.
And if you guys have any ideas for that car, leave them down below. I'm open to all suggestions.
This is going to be Gogo's first car build.
See you here next time on Project Sullivan.